Adult literacy and high school equivalency diploma teachers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Adult literacy and high school equivalency diploma teachers instruct adults in basic skills such as reading and speaking English. They also help students get an equivalent diploma from high school. Work environment. Adult literacy and high school equivalency diploma teachers are often employed by community colleges, community-based organizations, and public schools. Usually they work part-time. How to become one. Adult literacy and high school equivalency diploma teachers who work in public schools must have at least a bachelor's degree and a license or certification. Salary. The median annual wage for adult literacy and high school equivalency diploma teachers is $54,350. Job outlook. Employment of adult literacy and high school equivalency diploma teachers is projected to decline 10% over the next 10 years. The decline and increase in the high school graduation rate for adult enrollment and ESL programs may decrease the request for such teachers. Job skills. Ability to adapt coursework, strong communication skills, patience, and understanding. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.